Hey guys, Toxic Flames, and today we're going to show you how to install a quick release wheel on a 1990 NA Miata with no airbag. First thing we're going to show you is what you need.
Alright, so there's three main things you're going to need for this. First thing is a quick release itself. You can buy this from NRG. It's usually around $160 US. Second thing you're going to need is a wheel. I also went with an NRG wheel. They're around $180. But check out Facebook Marketplace and you can find them for cheap. Usually you can pick them up for $80 to $100. Alright, so the last thing you're going to need is a short hub adapter. So you can buy it from NRG and it's about $135. But I ended up going the eBay route. So if you look here, $11, boys. $11 versus $135, and you don't even know how much this shipping is going to cost. Like, bruh. So basically, if you go with this one, it's going to already give you the ground built in right here. So then you won't have to worry about the ground. With this, it only comes with the power. But for the ground, you can see that the quick release itself is going to come with these gaskets. So you can just sandwich the gaskets in between, and that'll act as the ground anyway. So this is why I definitely recommend going the eBay route. Much cheaper and still gives you the same quality. It's just a piece of metal.
Alright, so for 3 bolts, there should be one behind here, and one behind here. Once you remove it, then this should just come straight off. Whoa. Alright, so you see this one doesn't have the airbag. There's just this one connector connecting it. Just gonna remove that. Should just pull off. Alright, so the next step is to remove this 21mm bolt. So once you have it most of the way off, screw it back on a bit, and then you want to like shake the steering wheel like crazy until it comes loose. Alright, with the steering wheel all loose now, we can remove the bolt. Oops. Just comes off. Alright, one thing to note is that this is your clock spring, and when this goes straight up, that means that the steering wheel is straight. So do not move this, because that will be important in our next step when we install the hub adapter. The hub adapter should come like this. You have the actual adapter, and then you have this plate on the back, and the plate has the one metal wire, and this is the power wire. There is no ground wire included in this because it's eBay and shit. So it also comes with this. We're going to remove that for the time being of the installation, and then it also comes with the bolts to actually bolt the quick release into this. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that these two holes there and over there line up with these two out of the clock spring. So if we line it up, so you can see that even when it's pushed on all the way, let's see if we can get it a little bit further. Yeah, there we go. Okay, even when it's pushed in all the way, we can see that it does not go on far enough for the clock spring like hands that stick out to actually go into the hole. So the reason for that is because right here it's actually hitting, so it gets thicker. So we can either grind down this part on the Miata, or we can grind down this shitty eBay piece. So I'm just gonna have to grind around here so that it can fit further onto this shaft. Alright, so as you can see, we've grinded away a bit, and focus here. Yeah, you can see we grinded away this, don't ask how. Alright, if we come along the side, we can see that now we've got these shafts, and they go all the way into the hub adapter. So now when you turn, and then so you put on your turn signal, you turn, and when you come back, it should bounce back up. Alright, so now we're going to get to the horn part. So I added this black piece on again just for style, and the way the horn works is this is the positive and anything around here will be the negative. So if we touch anything, the horn goes off. If your horn is not working, then you can check over here. There's a little, there we go, focus. So if you see there's a little spring, and the spring will attach to the hub adapter on the like metallic ring that goes all the way around. If it's not touching, then you'll notice that the horn probably is not working. Also make sure your battery's connected. Alright, so if we take the NRG hub adapter we can see that there's two parts that have to go in. So it doesn't matter which one is ground or whatever, but basically for the eBay hub adapter, it uses this female spade as the power. So we're going to use this male spade to connect power to power. And then for connecting the ground, I just took a little piece of electrical wire and connected a male spade on the end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the metal around the horn, and then I'll get back to you when I've done that. Alright, just a little aside, I noticed when you open the NRG quick release, it comes with these basically like metal looking gasket ring things. So if you don't want to use a wire and a male spade connector and then end up screwing it into the bolt, what you can do is just sandwich this between the quick release and the adapter hub, and it has screw holes already made, and you can basically plug in the female lead on the quick release into here directly, and this will basically be your ground if you don't want to use the wire. Alright, so I torqued down the center nut to 35 foot-pounds, and then I just connected these two spade connectors, and now we're going to connect the NRG quick release to the actual hub. So to do that, just push the wires in, and you want to make the NRG sticking straight up if your wheel was straight when you took it off, but in my case it was slightly offset, so this will be straight for me. And then just put the included screws that come with the hub adapter. Alright, so once you have all 6 screws in the quick release, you want to take the other part of the quick release, put it on there, and then now that it's on, now you just want to take your wheel, so the horn. So for the NRG horn, you basically have a male spade and a female spade, and you're just going to want to connect those up just like that. Alright, so now we have the spade connectors connected, and now we just have to take the wheel and put it on the car. Alright, here's the final product. So just take this and just yeet it down here. Horn works. Everything works.
Alright, so now you know how to install a quick release steering wheel on a 1990 Miata with no airbag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. If not, don't forget to give it a dislike and tell me to f*** off in the comments. This was the first video in the Drift Miata series, so if you want to follow the build, don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we got some more interior mods. We're going to be doing the door cards and the shift boot. We're going to be going with the Galaxy theme to match the steering wheel, so don't forget to follow if you want to see that shit.